Have you ever watched a beautiful sunset and felt the world slow down for just a moment? The sky blazes with colors, a masterpiece painted with care, yet there's a silent reminder that the sun must eventually set. Life can feel like that sunset, a stunning display of potential and beauty, but sometimes it fades too quickly into darkness. You look at your dreams and wonder why they haven't ignited into that same vibrant display. The question is not whether you have the potential to shine. It's about understanding why you still find yourself in the shadows. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast forest. It's dense, filled with towering trees and winding paths, and you feel lost. You have a destination in mind, a clear vision of where you want to be, yet every turn seems to lead you back to where you started. This is how many of us feel in our pursuit of success. We want to win, but the path forward is obscured by obstacles, doubts, and fears. It's easy to blame the trees, circumstances, other people, even fate itself. But the real reason you're not winning yet lies deeper within. Let's take a moment to explore self-awareness. Have you ever asked yourself why you keep making the same choices, even when you know they lead you to a dead end? It's like driving on the same road that only goes in circles. Self-awareness is about recognizing that road, understanding your patterns, and being honest with yourself. It's about acknowledging that the choices you make today shape the outcomes of tomorrow. Consider the story of a man named Mark. For years, he dreamed of starting his own business. He had brilliant ideas but never took the leap. He spent hours watching motivational videos, scribbling down plans, yet each time he got close, fear held him back. One day, he finally confronted his fear, looked in the mirror, and asked, "What's really stopping me?" It wasn't the lack of resources, connections, or even time. It was his own self-doubt locking him in place. When Mark opened his eyes to this truth, he felt a wave of accountability wash over him. He realized he had been giving power to his fears instead of taking control of his dreams. This moment of honesty lit a spark within him. He set small, achievable goals to build confidence, one step at a time. Each victory, no matter how small, became a reminder that he was capable. He learned that the most significant battles are often fought within. Now let's bring this a bit closer to home. Think about your own life. What recurring patterns do you see? Are you avoiding tough conversations because you fear conflict? Are you procrastinating on important tasks, convincing yourself that tomorrow will be better? Maybe you're stuck in a cycle of negative thinking, and you don't even realize how it's impacting your progress. Awareness is the first step, but it's only one side of the coin. The other side is accountability. It's easy to point fingers at our jobs, our relationships, or the world around us. But true growth happens when we take full responsibility for our actions. It's not about blame, it's about empowerment. When you accept accountability, you're saying, "I have the power to change my path." Take Sarah, who struggled with her fitness goals. She would often blame her busy schedule or the lack of motivation. One day, she decided to write down her daily activities and confront the truth. She realized she spent hours scrolling through social media, time she could have devoted to her health. Instead of getting upset with herself, she chose to be accountable. She crafted a daily schedule that prioritized her goals and cut out the distractions. Slowly, she became the architect of her life, building it the way she wanted. But here's the twist. Self-awareness and accountability are not just about recognizing what's wrong. They're about recognizing what's possible. Once you see the areas where you can grow, you gain the tools to unlock your potential. There's a whole world of hope waiting just beyond those trees. As you embark on your journey, remember to cultivate a mindset of growth. It's easy to fall into the trap of self-pity and despair, but that only keeps you stuck. Instead, think of each stumble as a stepping stone. When you face setbacks, don't shy away from them. Embrace them. They are your teachers, showing you what you need to learn. Hope is that flickering light in the distance, a beacon guiding you through the fog. It reminds you that even in the darkest moments, there is a way forward. Each time you hold yourself accountable and make a conscious choice to move forward, you're taking a step closer to your dreams. You're not just working harder, you're working smarter. Let's look at Jenna, who felt overwhelmed by her job. Every day, she dreaded going to work, convinced she would never find fulfillment. One day, during a moment of quiet reflection, she acknowledged her fear of change. Realizing that she could take charge, she began exploring her passions outside of work. Eventually, Jenna started a side project that reignited her love for creativity. Through her journey, Jenna learned that winning is not only about the big milestones, it's about the small victories that build resilience. She found a community of like-minded individuals who encouraged her. That's the magic of hope. It's contagious. When you surround yourself with people who uplift you, your vision expands. You start to see the possibilities. Now let's talk about your action plan. Reflect on the areas where you might be holding back. What goals have you pushed aside? What fears have you let control you? Write them down. Craft a plan with small, achievable steps that lead you toward your ultimate goals. Don't forget to celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Every step forward is a testament to your resilience. You have the power to turn your dreams into reality, but it starts with acknowledging where you are now. Self-awareness and accountability will guide your path, but it's your belief and hope that will light the way. As we near the end of this journey together, remember this. Winning isn't a destination, it's a mindset. The real reason you're not winning yet is not the lack of talent or resources. It's about recognizing the power you hold within. So the next time you find yourself feeling lost in that metaphorical forest, take a deep breath. Acknowledge your fears, hold yourself accountable, and ignite that flicker of hope within you. You can create your masterpiece, just like that stunning sunset. The world is waiting for your light to shine. Now go out there and carve your path. The sun doesn't set forever, and neither should your dreams. You are capable of so much more than you realize. Step into your power and take control. The journey toward winning is just beginning, and I believe in you.